Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a shattered half shell here from this is a Corsair type of machine. It's a Sears, but we're going to try to repair this cover shell here, and it's shattered. So first thing I'm going to do is, got all the pieces here, just 3 pieces, so I guess it's not totally shattered, but this major break right here, need to glue this first just to get it in position. So I'm going to try to get glue all the way up through the fine crack right here where it's still attached. So I got some good super glue. I want to get all along this seam here and all along the seam, and try not to get any on your fingers. Okay, so now it's all in there, and this should, I've had it back in place here like this. Get it back in place, and it pretty much doesn't even need to be clamped, because it kind of just wants to go back in place. So okay, so that piece is back glued. Now this one here has got a piece that goes like that. Right there. And then this piece goes down in here. So, let's see. Okay, yep, this piece goes there. And this piece goes in there just like that. So, I need to put the bottom one in here first. And same thing, I'm going to glue it along the edge here. And where it's cracked right there. And I'm going to get this back in its position. And just kind of get it as close as possible. And then we're going to put the other one back in here, and hopefully this thing just lines up. But after that, we're going to melt some metal reinforcement in here. Let's see if I can get this piece in position. Yeah, I knew that piece was going to pop out of there because I couldn't get it to stay. Couldn't get these two to, you had to kind of do them together. Here we go, there we go, something like that. No, almost. It's starting to stick to my fingers a little bit. Well, it's right about there, but it's more of a gap than I want. I want that to be a little tighter, but there, going a little tighter. There it goes. It's perfect there. So I got it snug. It's going to hold just like that. Okay. So that's going to be a pretty quick bond. And now I'm going to heat up some washers here. Some of these guys right here in the middle. Right here, and just reinforce this all along the breakage area. So I'm going to put something back here to Hold this in position. Move on me. There we go. And so now it's just a process of heating up some of these metal pieces and just sticking them all along where the cracks are. And we're going to reinforce this with metal. My tool here to help push these down. So let's push that in. And just kind of mash it over like that. And I'm going to put a whole bunch of these in there. And it may not look pretty, but yeah, I didn't get that one hot enough and get it over there fast enough. There we go. Get it in there and then just mash that extra over like that. Gonna do this multiple times here. A little curvature on those ones back there, so we can take this and just give it a little bit of a bend to go with the curve. So let's try that. Let's see if we can get it to fit right in there. Do the same thing there. We're going to bend this one a little bit to conform with the bend there a little bit. And we'll try putting that one in there. Okay, there's one on the side here. Okay, so I'm going to do that edge. There. I'm just going to keep on going. Do another one right up there, and then a couple more on the flat part. That's a rate. Alright, let's do a couple more right down in there. Move my torch here. Probably could do more than a couple down in there. And realize the camera's getting in the way on this one. So the more metal you can get in there, probably the better, but I think a couple more pieces here. And this one will be just fine. Okay, so there's a bunch. Might add a few more, but that is the general idea. And then from the outside, it should look pretty good still. I've got to clean this, but from the outside, it barely shows this hairline cracks. Yeah, I might throw a few more washers on there, but because there's so much room, yeah, maybe I'll put a couple more up here, another one back in here. The corner seems pretty secure. All right, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.